Today we're going to replace the base plate vibration mounts on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. Firstly, remove the cover by unscrewing the 4 bolts and washers using a 10mm socket. Then remove the belt from the pulley and the clutch safely. Now detach the bed plate by unscrewing the 4 bolts and washers using a 15mm socket. You can now access the vibration mounts. Unscrew the vibration mounts. You can now replace these mounts. Reattach the bed plate and secure with the 4 bolts. Place the belt back into position. Return the cover back on and secure with the bolts. That's how you change the base plate vibration mounts on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.